movies has been shot in these roads. If the director wants to make it look like a pure village look, they put red soil onto the roads to cover it. And all these houses are just front elevation houses. If you go inside, there would be nothing. And if you want to explore more, you will just get into the jungle behind it. Almost 60 to 70% of all Ramoji Film City consists of duplicate buildings, which are made up of plaster of Paris, iron, wood and fiber. All that you have seen in the North Indian, South Indian and typical South Indian village set are totally duplicate buildings. According to the director's choice, they can remodel it if they want. And now please look towards the right side, this white and cream building. This is our most original buildings of Ramoji Film City, made up of concrete, iron and bricks. The corporate building of Ramoji Film City, from where every operations related to Ramoji Film City and its groups has been taken over there. Besides that, you can see these buildings, right? These are the ETV Bharat, Usha Kiran Private Limited and Enadu's official building. Enadu is the Telangana's second most newspaper publishing company. And ETV Bharat is a free online app where you can download in Play Store, which provides a minute-to-minute update of news from all over the world in 13 languages and in 28 states. Now please look towards the left side, the top mountain. Any guesses?
Bahubali.
Bahubali, right? You're right, sir. Bahubali. That is the place where Kattappa betrayed Bahubali. Kattappa ने बाहुबली को वहीं पे मारा था. याद आया? And besides that, you can see those trees. Behind those trees, Pushpa, sandalwood smuggling scene was shot over there. And you can see this whole empty area, right? This whole area was filled with the water when the time of shooting. Pushpa, sandalwood floating scene was shot over here. And now I would like to share some general information about Ramoji Film City. Sri Ramoji Rao Garu, the founder and the chairperson of this Ramoji Film City, has bought this land in 1991 and has started construction in 1992. First Telugu movie, though, Ma Nannaku Pelli in 1996. First Hindi movie, Bade Miyan Chote Miyan in 1997. First Hollywood movie, The Nightfall of Crocodile in 1998. Tamil Konatam, Malayalam Patram, Kannada Sparsha. And art director of this Ramoji Film City is Mr. Nikesh Roy from West Bengal. And tourism started in 1998. And the construction ended in 1995 and it is still going on. And now please look towards the right side, this white building. This is our indoor shooting floor, big indoor shooting floor, where ETV channel program, entertainment programs has been shot over here, such as Suma Adda, Cash, and even dance program called D has been shot over there. And now please look towards the left side, left front. Can you see the check post? Any guesses? Which check post is that? Pushpa check post. It has been used for the movie Pushpa. And now please look towards the right side. This green glass building has been used as a pub and club in movies such as DJ Tillu, Attarinti Raredi. And now if you keep on looking towards the right side, this is the central jail of Ramoji Film City. You can see this location in movies such as Tripura. Tripura movie was shot over here. Shivaji, The Boss Returns. DJ Tillu, upcoming Pushpa 2, CID Musa 2020. All these movies has been shot over here. Besides that, you can see that blue house, blue elevation. Tere Naam, Hindi movie, Salman Khan sir's mental hospital. And now if you keep on looking towards the left side, this blue elevation is the village central jail. A small elevation of village central jail. And now please look towards the straight. This is the adventure world of Ramoji Film City, the Sahas, where you can find 9 complimentary rides, 5 for adults and 4 for children, and even 14 chargeable rides. After your completion of Bahubali tour, you will be having a dropping at Chandramukhi set. From there, you will be having a walkable distance to the Sahas, where you can enjoy your complimentary and chargeable rides, which will be open till 4:30 p.m. Now please look towards the right side. This is the indoor set of Chandramukhi. Almost entire movie Chandramukhi, every scene has been shot in that shooting floor. And now please keep on looking at both sides, left and right. These are known as BSF. Can anyone know the meaning of BSF?
Border Security Force.
Yes sir, you are right, Border Security Force. But in Ramoji Film City, we call this as the big shooting floors. Now please look towards the back side भी देखिए. This is the Tirupati set of Pushpa 2. 12 days ago, Pushpa 2 shooting was held over there. Pushpa 1, Oh Antava Mama, Oh Antava song. Upcoming, Pushpa 2, Bahubali 1, Waterfall scene, Bahubali 2, Chammak Challo song from Ravan, Baji Baji song from Shivaji, KGF 1, KGF 2, Chandramukhi, Arundhati, Robo 1, Robo 0.2, last fighting scene. All these movies has been shot in this big shooting floor. And the whole credit goes to the Maya production, the Maya team of Ramoji Film City for in charge of this indoor shooting floor. And for our guest finest experience, they have created a mythological set, a permanent set which is known as Bhagavatam. So Bhagavatam will be your first dropping point. From here you will be having your exit towards the railway station. At the exit of railway station you will be having your next boarding bus which will take you to your Bahubali set, your next destination. I hope you enjoy your tour. Please keep your belongings, yourself, your kids and your tickets safe with you. Keep on